Finding our natural talents can be a difficult thing to do. For me, it took me a decade to find out that I was good at writing, public speaking, as well as motivational talks. It was never a skill that I knew that I had. Much like many other people, discovering what their talents are can be a hard thing to figure it out. So today in this topic, I will help you out in finding your inner hidden talent that will help you out in becoming a successful person in your life. First, I want to talk about little basic of this topic. So watch this video till the end so that you can understand, so you can have a deep knowledge regarding this topic. So my question to you is, what is talent? According to the definition from the dictionary, someone who has a natural ability to be good at something without being taught. This is the definition of talent. So what does that mean? So this means that you are good at something, that is your talent. For example, you are good at writing, you are good at singing, you are good at dancing, you are good at any sports. This is the natural talent that you have. You can understand the notes of a song and you can sing accordingly. Your body dances naturally. These are the few examples of being talented. But you cannot compete with a person who is the top singer of this country. Can you agree with me? Yes, you do. So you cannot compete with the top-notch people out there who are ace in their fields because, they are in a different league than you. So what's the difference between you and them? The difference is they knew their talent and they changed their talent into their profession. You take your talent as a hobby, they take their talent as a profession. And what's the difference? The difference is that they're working hard 24/7. Every day they're grinding on becoming a better person in that specific field. They're developing their skills on a daily basis. Every day, every hour, they're making a progress towards becoming better in their respective fields. By practicing it, by gaining knowledge from the right source, which we call the mentors, and you only have the talent which has the limited source. So I hope that you understand what I'm talking right now. There's a huge difference between them and you. And there might be some people out there who will say after watching this video that I am not talented. I don't know in which field I am good. I have no idea what is my talent. Some people have actually figured it out that they are good at singing, at dancing, at writing. On the other hand, I have no clue which field is good for me, which field suits me, in which field I have interest. Well, my friend, you are not alone. Everybody out there is talented. We all are talented. Only difference between you and them is that you haven't figured it out yet. You're still on the mission of finding your own talent. And in this video, I will help you out in finding your own true self, your inner thought that will help you out in finding your true self, your own hidden talent. So from this talk, another question arises. How do we identify our talent? See, talent comes from within, from inside. And that means wherever our interest lies, talent will come automatically. So what are your interests? This is the first and the most important question that you need to ask yourself. Because everybody knows out there is something out there which you love to do. You can be a student, you can be an employee, but there's something out there that you really want to do after coming from college, after coming from a job. It really doesn't matter how busy you are. If you're really interested in that thing, you will definitely do it no matter what. So find that thing that lies within you from inside. So you got to have knowledge and information of different fields. See, you got to understand one thing. Your mind is like a cell phone. It has a specific software that you need to upgrade on a daily basis. There are different apps that you got to download so that you can use it. Same is your mind. You got to upgrade it on a regular basis. You got to download the apps on the regular basis so that you can have deeper knowledge and information of different subjects. You got to gain knowledge of different subjects so that this will help you out in finding the talent within you. This will help you out in knowing that what are the things in which you can actually be talented. So you got to gain knowledge and information of different things in your life. This will help you out in becoming a better person towards different fields, as well as you can find out a specific field in which you want to pursue your own life. You know what's the best thing that you can do for yourself? You can make your talent and change it into your own profession. And if you're able to achieve it, believe me, you will be successful in your life. I can guarantee you that. I hope that you understood the basic of this topic, and now I'm going to give you 5 pointers, 5 very simple pointers that you have to do on a daily basis that will enhance your skills as well as will help you out in finding your own talents. So let's get started. Number 1, write down the things that you love to do. Like I've said before, everybody is interested in something or the other. Everybody has something that they want to do no matter what. Write it down. Write it down on a journal. Write it down the details that you want to do in your life. It's not a homework which is told by a teacher that you actually have to do. And it's not a job which you have to do it no matter what. It's something from within, from your heart, from your mind, which you really want to do in your life. Write it down on a journal of all the things. Write down 5 or 6 things that you feel that you actually want to do from within. Number 2, how many hours you can spend in a day. Now that you have jotted down all the details that you want to do in your life, now my simple question is, how many hours can you do that thing? I'm going to give you an example. I love to play guitar. Yes, I do love to play guitar. But the problem is, I cannot play more than 30 minutes because I cannot take the pain. My fingers cannot take the pain. But if you look at the top, the world-class guitarist, they practice around 8 hours in a single day. That's the difference. I, on the other hand, have a hobby that I can play for only 30 minutes. They have the passion, the profession that lead them to play for 8 hours. That's the difference. So how many hours can you actually sustain in that talent? That's the question that you need to find out by working upon that subject. So do it. Number 3, try different things out. So like I've said before in the first point, you have jotted down all the details of the things that you love to do. Now try different things out. Try to gain knowledge and information of that things. With time, with persistence, with patience and with discipline, you're gonna figure it out what are the things that you love to do. And once you find out what actually make you feel good, that's the spot on thing that you need to do, that you have to hold it. And then you have to gain knowledge and you have to have information regarding it with practice, with persistence on a daily basis. Number 4, keep track of your little success. Now every day you got to work upon your talent. You got to work upon the things that you love to do. And every day, believe me, you're gonna gain success. It might be very small, but it's gonna be worth it because every day that success is gonna grow. And with practice, with persistence, with the hard work on a daily basis, you're gonna gain more knowledge and you're gonna gain more confidence in that subject. That will make a difference between a rookie and a professional. So it totally depends upon you how badly you want that talent to change into profession. So do it. Last but not the least, the 5th point is to practice. Practice, practice, practice. That's the only thing that I can tell you in the last pointer. Because without practice, nobody have achieved anything. If you want to be motivated, then read all those success stories. Read the autobiographies of a particular person that you admire the most. And from that, you will be able to understand how much they practice upon the craft on a daily basis. So I hope that you understand this topic and I hope that you will implement all these pointers in your life. And from now on, I hope that you're gonna find your inner talent. So if you like this video, do give me a big thumbs up. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is Vaibhav Nigam. I will see you soon. Till then, take care. Cheers. Bye bye.